Welcome back to Kylie the Hedgehog's YouTube channel. Kylie the Hedgehog is in her bed, and my mom has to bring her. Can you go bring her?
Oh yeah.
And Daddy the Hedgehog.
Just a second.
We're
We're back.
That's the beginning of a video, right?
No.
Okay. Kylie the Hedgehog
Okay.
and Daddy the Hedgehog are here, and a golden box and my favorite toys. Where's Daddy the Hedgehog? Oh, thank you. Hey! Okay, so we've got Winnie the Parrot,
All right.
and then we've got my hooting owl.
What kind of fort is this?
It's a blanket fort.
And it's out of.
Blankets and chairs and tables.
Okay.
That's level 1, and this is level 2. I'm on level 2
okay.
right now. And then I have like a little chicky thing. And another chicky thing. But it's blue. And it has a bow. And I have...
I cannot see your face.
Wait, what?
I cannot see your face.
I know because I'm grabbing my toys. And this is...
It's enough air inside your fort?
What?
It's enough air inside your fort?
Yeah, I have a glassless window, so there's air.
Okay.
That's why I invented a glassless window.
Can I see inside your fort?
Okay. Come in. Okay, I've got this, a passport thing, but we don't need that now. And the same thing that we saw earlier, and it has stamps on it. And also a notebook. A notebook that can't tell me anything, just words. Alright. Okay.
Do you have food inside your fort or not yet?
I don't have snacks yet, but I do have Winnie and the Owl.
Wow, all your friends are here.
The owl. Big Owl. This
All
is
the
Big Owl.
owls are.
I think someone has a toy like this, but it's just a bird, and then it has the same wings, and then it has these fluffy things, but one black. Okay. And
I
I've
hope it's
got-
not too hot in your fort.
And I have green.
Because
I
you.
have cards inside,
Mhm.
and then robotic checks.
Do you want to send cards to people?
No.
But why do you keep them there?
Because I like them. And then a toy chick that can turn on, and another toy chick.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. I
And
think
no.
it's.
And I have my Hello Kitty. Okay. And then I have a Jurassic World dino. Its name is a Coloris, and she is like really fast.
Mhm.
And then she comes with a card, Dino Rebel card.
Look at your beanie.
I know.
You should take it off. Okay, say something and say
Okay.
bye-bye.
So Winnie the Parrot usually
We have
copies
fun
me,
on
but
Friday.
sometimes she doesn't copy me, and she has a little puffy thing, and then she has a little tail that's a little bit curled, and feet. And look at the eyes. Oh my! And around the eyes, there's glittery things. There's an orange puffy thing. And the beak is the same color as the feet.
We have to say bye-bye. It's too long.
No.
The video.
And
We have to stop now.
Kylie the Hedgehog wanted to say something.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. See you next video. Thank you, teacher, for Friday 4th day. Coronavirus free. Stay inside. Stay healthy. Bye bye.